Cat kills Bird. Bird is now dead. Cat leaves house.
What the heck?
Alright.
That is it.
The bird is still moving.
Yeah, I know.
The bird is moving. Bird is alive. Cat doesn't know. Cat left house.
Cat doesn't care.
Oh, she's coming back. Except that she doesn't. Oh, she does know.
Avenger. This is the
And just
best
goes back in
day
our hiding
ever.
place.
I'm gonna go put it outside.
Oh, you're.
Bird leaves house.
Oh.
Cat is confused.
No! Shit.
Bird.
It's on the windowsill up there. I can't get it down.
You can't?
How am I gonna get it down from up there?
Oh my gosh, there's a
You use a ladder.
bird sitting at a windowsill.
There is a bird sitting at our windowsill.
You can come into our rooms at any Oh my gosh, your picture's just...
And that is it. Goodbye.